What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And it's so crazy. This is an update on the Monte Carlo. This Monte Carlo update paint because the car is in primer. Now, the crazy thing is, I had shot this video a couple days ago. Messed around, forgot to import the footage on the computer, and I was using the card to go film an event and deleted the footage. I deleted the footage, man. I had went over there already and filmed the car for y'all in primer, cause the car prime. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert, I think I got a couple of pictures. At least one. I got at least one picture. So I'm gonna insert the picture so y'all can see that it's in primer and stuff. Cause I was actually shooting the rest of the video today, cause some parts came in, and I'm gonna show y'all that too to make it a whole video paint update. So y'all can get to see that. But yeah, man, I deleted the footage, man. It's a rookie mistake. Rookie mistake, man. That's why you always, when you filming something, go ahead and clean your card, import the card, or import the stuff on the computer, man. Go ahead and get it off, cause you won't be in the boat with me. So like I said, we're gonna cut the intro, and then we're gonna jump into it, and I'm gonna show y'all the pictures that I do have. And like I said, the car be painted. Car be painted within the next couple of days and all that. So yeah, and then I'm gonna show y'all what parts came, cause we got about 3 boxes of Monte Carlo parts. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. So before we get these boxes open up, see what Wifey got and all that, I'm gonna get this thing moved, put up since it's evening time. Cause like I said, boy, I be coming out. I try to come out in the evening now, so I'm gonna set y'all down right here. We're gonna get old Jones put up. So y'all stay tuned. Back, got these 3 boxes right here. 1, 2, 3, all for the Monte Carlo, and the lights on the inside. So we're gonna grab this one, cause this the oldest. This box been in there since we done had this box in early this year. I forgot when I ordered it. I ain't never opened it. I had told Wifey to open it on her channel. I don't know. She be doing her thing, man. She be doing otherwise. So you know. But I think I know what these is. I always put the Monte Carlo though. Let's see. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this stuff out there tomorrow. Oh, these the bezels. So we're gonna take all this out there tomorrow and get it back on the car. I ain't even open these things and checking. I forgot where I got them from, man. I was trying to tell y'all where I got everything. The parts place. The parts place. I can't remember. I can't remember if I went to a website or I went eBay or whatever. Look good, brand spanking. But these the bezels, headlight bezels. Like I said, she got new bezels for the Monte Carlo. Boom, boom. Got two of those. Gotta make sure the MC, what you call it, Emma. Gotta make sure Emma got them pretty eyes. So we got the bezels right there. And we're gonna hit them with next. This one, what is it? Bezels. Let me see. That's how you know I be ordering too much stuff, man. I just know there's some Monte Carlo package, cause I remember when it came, but I can't remember what it is. All these boxes, look at all this stuff, man. Big beach pile behind y'all. Tell you, boy. Yeah. Oh, these are lights. So these come from Mike's Monte. Y'all wanna go to their website, man? I'm gonna shout them out like Mike's Monte. That man got everything. But these more brand spanking, boy. They look new. I mean, I said they look new. They look so clean. So these the turn signal lights go at the bottom. Brand spanking, man. You gotta have everything. Like Mike's Monte, man. They can get these parts. Oh, fast shipping too. I gotta say that, fast shipping. So she got the new bezels, new turn signal lights, and this is. Shit, I don't know. I told her I really don't know, man. I forgot. Turn signal lamps. I'm trying to think. Is this a front end component? Turn signal lamps, bezels, headlights. That's what they got to be. These are headlights, I think. Yes, sir. Oh, I got it. Yep, these are headlights. Man, I tell y'all what I got to order. She got the low beam. We got the low beam LED, but no high beam. I need to go. I'm finna go in there and order them right now. These the headlamps. So if you want to go to LEDs on the 4 headlight front ends, you got to change your lenses, man. You got to change your lenses, and then they'll use a H4 LED bulb. So just put that in your notes. You try and go LED. Get your lenses, and then get your lenses that use a replaceable bulb. It's a 4x6 lens. And then you get your LED, your H4 bulb for the low beam, which is a 3-prong. Man, wait a minute. Hold on now. I hope they ain't send me them. Oh, they replaced. But I was about to say, look, y'all seeing how serious I got? I just got quiet. But I was like, man, I know these people ain't send me the wrong part. Man. I know they ain't do that. But yeah, they use an H4 bulb. And the other one, I don't know. I can't remember. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I don't know. I really can't remember. But cause I had ordered LED thinking both of them use the H4, and they don't. So we got two sets of these. So you got 1, 2 for the low beam and the high beam, and then you just order your LED. So Wifey literally got all whole front end components new except the grill, which we're gonna get Tierra grill later. The shipping and bill time on Tierra is terrible right now. But she gonna get one. But she got all the front end components new, so won't nothing be looking busted and raggedy and all this stuff. It's the only thing that ain't new is the grill, but you know, we got the grill off of that new front end I had bought from Steve. Well, I bought the whole header panel, and I still got that for sale. Somebody want it. I got the Monte Carlo header panel for sale off of Wifey car if anybody want it. It's a good header panel. It ain't rusted or none of that. It's a good header panel in good shape. So somebody want that, just let me know, and you can get it. So we I'm finna, like I said, I hate that camera cut off, and well, it didn't cut off. I mean, I hate that I made a mistake and deleted clip, cause I had got a clip, man, with it trying down stuff, and I thought I might have put it on the laptop and the desktop, and I ain't putting on neither one of them. So that clip just gone. So all I had was the pictures I inserted in this video. That was all I had, man. So you know, it is what it is, man. Stuff happens. Stuff happens. Just gotta roll with the punches and keep it moving. So wifey car about to get sprayed. It about to actually be sprayed, and then the S10 brown coat about to get sprayed. We dialing Big Dolo in. We getting that straight. John Jones already dialed in. We're just gonna do shock adjustments. We're gonna play with that. Gotta go to the track again for that. I gotta buy a new radio, cause I got that nail in there. I gotta buy a whole new radio. I'm about to go in there and order that now. So we're gonna have the radio coming. I'll probably go to Summit and pick it up, just grab it. So cause I need it before Thursday. So I'm gonna get that radio. I might go to Summit tomorrow, and I don't know. We got a lot of stuff shaking, man. We got a lot of stuff shaking. I might start on rhythm and blues when it get cool, man. I probably gonna start on a whole nother engine and just keep that one in there for the time being, cause it running. It's a run. I mean, it's a good running engine. But I got some plans for that, which I ain't gonna say just yet. But I got a surprise for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and start on that engine probably around November. I might get it on the way. Meats, I got a plan for meats, so I probably drop them two at the same time or around the same time, if possible. I probably drop around the same time. But R&B, I don't know. I would say it might be alright with the rear end. I don't know. I'm gonna try it out. Y'all know I got 28 spline Moses in there. I'm gonna try it out, cause I know the engine that I'm about to do, it's gonna definitely make a lot more power than the one in there. It'll definitely be a 400 rear wheel horsepower or more engine. Gonna make hella torque. So it's gonna be a lot faster. It's still gonna be drivable, and I still gotta put the front springs in there and stuff. So you know, it's gonna get a little treatment and stuff. Still gotta do brakes and all that. And I really, with our cars, I really be trying to space this stuff out for everybody to seem realistic. Cause I mean, I could do it all at one time. I can afford to. Thank God, I can afford to just really do it all at one time. But it just, you know, I try to make my channel as relatable as possible for everybody. Cause everybody can't just up and, you know, go spend XYZ amount of money and just do a car like that at one time or as fast as I be doing them. I really do these car fast. People really think about it. Like Dolo, people looking at Dolo and stuff, but really, what you don't know behind the scenes, all the time I was saying Dolo was getting done and getting built, like I was going back and forth on what I want to do. I do that a lot. I was going back and forth on, do I want to stick the engine in here? Or I want to stick the engine in here. But when I actually got it on the way, I just cashed out, and Dolo got done in like 2 months. 2 months the car was done, and I just been adding on a little at a time, but it's done now. I mean, just figuring out. Then we got the truck. So in 2 weeks, the truck going to lawless street cars, and then getting the new Coyote put in. The old Coyote, I will sell it. Like I said, it got a little skip in it or something. Like I said, I didn't really care what it was, cause I just drive it. Take trash and drive around town here and there. But like I said, I'm gonna sell it as, maybe you need to check it out. Like I said, I ain't saying it's catastrophic, but I'm just saying I'm selling it as, you need to check it out. So don't nobody, they just protect my face card, and I'll be straight up and down with everybody. But I will sell the Coyote engine if you want it, or if you want to build it, you know, I will sell it. But you hit me in the email, jmalcolm2004@gmail.com. I'm gonna respond to emails only. They let me know you serious. Hit me in the email, and we'll discuss pricing and where you at, and I will sell it as soon as it hit the floor. Only thing I'm keeping off of it, I gotta have my car packs, cause I got MSD car packs, and of course, cold air intake still on the truck. But that's it. Everything else, well, that new car, of course, my accessory. But you're gonna get a long block, complete engine. I say a long block. Cause my other one got an intake on it. So yeah, just hit me an email. The shots. I supposed to be getting a shipping quote for somebody on the springs in the back shot that came out Dolo. I'm finna do that for you. My bad right there. I've been running. I just thought about it now. Get that shipping quote for you, but that stuff might be gone. And then I'm gonna do a video of all the stuff I got for sale. I got a lot of box Chevy parts like drive shells, cross members, and stuff like that somebody might want. And that's it. That's it, man. So Wifey coming. We're probably gonna throw rallies on there right now, so y'all have that coming. We're gonna put a new windshield, get a new windshield put in and all that. And that's it for this video, man. We just ripping and rolling. Y'all just stay tuned, cause there's a lot of action coming this month as well. That's it, BCG. Yeah.